It's racing time. Tito Jean didn't waste time at the start. Goes 40-year lead. Diamonds Gold right behind second. Down in third, Prince Stain. Then followed by Yona and Big Boy Vito. Heading towards the half-mile pole. Tito Jean leading the field by about 2 lengths over Diamonds Gold in second. Prince Stain down in third, Yona and Big Boy Vito as they round at the 600. Tito Jean still leading the field over Diamonds Gold. Prince Stain down on the inside, Big Boy Vito to port. Then comes runner number 1 and that's Yona. Racing towards the 450. Without pressure in front, Tito Jean by about 7 lengths. From the outside, Diamonds Gold and Prince Stain, Big Boy Vito and Yona. And down the stretch and leading the finish line, Tito Jean this time by about 5 lengths over Prince Stain, Diamonds Gold. With 75 meters, the horse of Mr. George Rakidan and Miss Tarzana, Tito Jean. Then comes Prince Stain, Diamonds Gold, Yona, and Big Boy.